Today we're making a perfect tuna tortilla in the air fryer. For this recipe you'll need 1 tortilla, a can of tuna, 1 fresh bell pepper, 1 green onion, a little lemon juice, sour cream or Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 to 2 egg yolks, and a handful of grated cheese. First, grab a bowl and add your tuna. Next, take your chopped bell pepper and green onion, drizzle them with a bit of lemon juice and mix them together. This gives the veggies a nice fresh flavor. Now, add that mixture into the tuna bowl. Then add your sour cream or Greek yogurt. Then season everything with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Now mix everything really well until it's creamy and evenly combined. Take your tortilla and fold it in half, then fold it again so you get 4 sections. Unfold it and then cut from the center down to the edge, just halfway through. Now spread your tuna mixture over the most of the tortilla, but leave one section empty. Starting from the empty section, fold the tortilla over itself section by section until you form a triangle. Before cooking, lightly spray the bottom of your air fryer with oil. Place the tortilla triangle inside. Now brush the top with egg yolk, then sprinkle some grated cheese over it. Air fry it at 180 degrees for about 5 minutes until it's golden, crispy and the cheese is melted. And that's it! Your perfect tuna tortilla is ready. It's crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside, and full of flavor. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments.